In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in WooCommerce. Whether you're selling clothing, accessories, or anything where sizing matters, having a clear and accessible size chart can boost customer confidence and decrease returns. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure you have everything ready on your WordPress dashboard. Head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Here, we'll need to search for the plugin called WPC Product Size Chart for WooCommerce. Once you found it, go ahead and install it, and remember to activate it after installation to get everything up and running. Now that you've got the plugin activated, the next step is to create a new size chart. You'll want to navigate to the WPC lever section and select Product Size Chart. Alternatively, you may find this under WooCommerce and then Size Chart. Here, you should see an option to add new size chart. Click that, and now you can start setting it up. Give your size chart an appropriate title and, if you want, add a description to provide context either above or below the chart itself. Start adding rows and columns to include the size labels and their corresponding measurements, ensuring everything is clear and easy to understand. You'll then choose whether you want this size chart to be a global one, applicable across multiple products or categories, or an individual one for specific product pages. That choice will depend on your catalog's needs. Once your chart is set up, it's time to move on to the display settings. As you're editing the chart, you'll decide where it should appear. Choose your targets, which could be individual products, categories, tags, or even specific shipping classes. You also have a few ways to display the chart. You can opt for a pop-up activated by a button, have the size guide appear automatically within a product tab, or even use a shortcode to insert it wherever you like on your site. Flexibility is key here to meet your store's design and functionality needs. If necessary, you can limit the chart display to certain product types, such as only showing it for variable products. Now, let's personalize the appearance. You can customize the button label and pop-up link text and choose a style that matches your brand aesthetic. Think about colors, fonts, and even animation effects to make the experience seamless and engaging for your customers. You can also add custom text or media to further enhance your chart's usefulness. Finally, you're ready to publish your size chart and see it in action. Go to a product page with the chart assigned. If you've set it as a pop-up, ensure the link opens the chart smoothly. For tab displays, look for a new tab labeled as Size Guide or whatever custom label you've designated. It's crucial to test how your chart looks on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring that everything is polished and user-friendly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding an effective size chart to your WooCommerce site. By following these steps, you'll help your customers make informed purchasing decisions and potentially boost your overall sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.